Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. I wanted in this second video on YouTube for Robertson Litigation to discuss an issue that uh, has turned into something that is very important to me and is a very fond memory or an experience that as a lawyer I'm extremely proud of. And that is recently uh, I was, with the assistance of my very capable and talented co-counsel, to remove numerous online references to one of my criminal case clients after his dismissal. This included images of his booking photo and online articles by various media outlets that originally were sourced from a press release by the arresting agency that, in our opinion, unfairly described our client's role in the incident, particularly since the case was later dismissed. And of course, that's the carve out for this particular situation. And an attorney can never promise or guarantee you an outcome. But in this situation, his case was dismissed for various reasons. And so that gave us a bit of a leverage and a bit of a hook to do what we did. We were also able to obtain the cooperation of the arresting agency to remove its original online press release and to modify its site, including some social media posts with updates about our client's dismissal. And this was done by both my co-counsel and I very skillfully with just the right combination of firmness and politeness. It also helped to have some of these emails to the various media outlets and also our engagement with law enforcement to come from lawyers, because we have the authority to pursue the matter further if necessary, rather than just have the person who was the object of the media attention or the object of the case try to intervene on his own behalf. As we all know, the reality is lawyers have that implied, even explicit authority of being a lawyer. And so that is essential. Now, most lawyers will, or many, I don't want to overstate the case, will consider their work done after they resolve your specific matter, whether it's criminal or civil. And the reality is that's how legal services and retainer agreements are written. They have a limited scope of representation. But I know, and many of us know, that this your case, whether it's criminal or civil, is only the first step on your journey after your case is resolved. You do need attorneys knowledgeable about the collateral consequences of your case, no matter what the outcome is. And one collateral consequence is your reputation. Other collateral consequences, particularly in criminal cases, could include the case's impact on your housing, your ability to get public assistance, your ability to get a job, among numerous issues. There's also immigration consequences for others. This is a very short list. But regardless, you need attorneys experienced and knowledgeable about the potential implications or ramifications of your case on the rest of your life. And one of those ramifications is on your reputation. In fact, your reputation is probably the most important thing you possess, as a non-material thing, not to sound very philosophical about it. So this process of protecting you, even in light of a positive outcome on a case, is something that an attorney needs to be proactively involved with. And you need to look for attorneys who are able and willing to do that. And the willing part is sometimes missing. It does take a delicate touch. It does take for that attorney to reach out to those media outlets, to reach out to law enforcement. I guarantee you there's a fine line between pushing too hard, though that sometimes becomes necessary, and not pushing enough. There's just the right balance between stating the facts of the case, why it should be removed, while at the same time humanizing you as a person and humanizing you as somebody who's trying to resume your life and be a productive member of society. And there, by the way, I'm referring to these inquiries to the media outlets and other sources who have put up these articles about your case, if it did get some media attention, your booking photo, etc. Now, mind you, there's laws about this in various states. I'm an attorney in California, and there's laws about these issues in California. This issue of the booking photo has come up in various counties, and And this is a controversy because once your booking photo is published online, obviously a Google search is going to produce that. So that's why these issues are so important, because nobody wants to see their booking photo up online. Nobody wants to see a press release up online, and certainly nobody wants to see a news report online that they believe, even based on the facts of the case, unfairly portrays them. So this is all terribly important. And this is one of the reasons why I'm producing this video. This is a proud instance of something that was recently done. There's just a few small things left in that, but this is something that was recently done that was, in my opinion, very successful for us. And I do want to thank you for listening. If you are watching, if you have any questions, my website is at robertsonlitigation.com, and you can reach me through the contact information on that site. Thank you very much, and I hope this helps.